Example 13. How many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7? 100. Three-digit number starting from 100 and end is 999. Three-digit number divisible 100 is first number is 105, second 112, last is 994. A is equal to 105. D difference second term 112 minus first term 105. An last term 994. D equal to 7. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is 994 is equal to A 105 plus n minus 1 into D is 7. 994 transfer 105 get minus 105 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. Subtraction 889. Transfer multiple 7 get divisible 7. 7 ones are 889 divide 7 we get 127 is equal to n minus 1. 127 transfer minus 1 get plus 1 is equal to n. Addition 128 is equal to n.